In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Big Cartel store dashboard, giving it a unique touch that'll set it apart. Adding a favicon might seem like a small detail, but it's an important one. It not only helps with brand recognition, but also adds that professional finishing touch to your store's appearance in browser tabs and bookmarks. To get started, open up your Big Cartel dashboard. If you're new to Big Cartel, this is where you manage all aspects of your online store, from adding products to customizing your shop's appearance. Once inside the dashboard, let's navigate to the upper part of the screen where you'll see various options for managing your account and store settings. Look for Account at the top of this menu and give it a click. Now, as you explore your account settings, you'll notice different tabs and sections that allow you to tweak your store's functionality and appearance. Here, we're looking for the favicon option. It should be listed as Add a favicon within this section. This option specifically allows you to upload the tiny but mighty favicon image that represents your brand across browsers. Uploading a favicon is simple. Once you've clicked on Add a favicon, a dialog box will open, prompting you to choose your image file. Be mindful here. You'll need a small, square image file. Ideally, it should be about 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels, although other sizes can be used as long as they remain square. You can create this image using design software or an online favicon generator. Log into your computer's Explorer or Finder to locate the file. Think about what image or icon truly reflects your brand, because this is what your customers will see every time they browse your site. Once you've selected your favicon, hit Open. The upload process should start immediately. It usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet speed. Watching the progress bar reach completion is satisfying, and once it's done, you'll have successfully added a distinctive element to your Big Cartel store that helps it stand out. And just like that, you're finished. Double-check how your favicon appears in your browser's tabs. This tiny symbol is now a part of your brand's online identity, consistently visible whenever someone visits your site. It's a simple yet effective way to leave a lasting impression on your visitors and make your store more recognizable. Adding a favicon is just one of the many ways you can customize your Big Cartel store to better reflect your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!